The advantage of preparing digital content in Indian languages using Unicode font is that it ensures universal compatibility and standardization. Support for multiple languages. Unicode provides a unique code for every character, regardless of the language or platform. This makes it possible to create and display content in various Indian languages without any distortion. Cross-platform consistency. Content prepared using Unicode can be viewed and shared across different devices, operating systems, and applications without losing its format or meaning. Global accessibility. Unicode is recognized worldwide, enabling Indian language content to be accessible to a global audience. Ease of communication. It helps in preserving linguistic diversity and facilitates seamless communication in Indian languages digitally. This makes Unicode an essential encoding standard for creating content in Indian languages.